Hello! Today's lesson is about the verb be in yes-no questions and short answers. We call these yes-no questions because you answer yes or no. For example, are you ready for the lesson? Yes? Good. First, let's review statements with the verb be. Notice the first word is a subject, like you or he. The second word is a form of the verb be, like is or are. To ask yes-no questions, move is or are to the beginning of the statement. Then put a question mark at the end. For example, you are a student. Are you a student? He is a photographer. Is he a photographer? She is a writer. Is she a writer? We are students. Are we students? They are scientists. Are they scientists? To answer yes, use these short answers. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. To answer no, use these short answers. Notice, we often use contractions with negative short answers. No, I'm not. No, he's not. No, she's not. No, we're not. No, they're not. We do not use contractions with affirmative short answers. For example, are you a student? Yes, I am. Not